What you may not know is that this person, who often occupies your thoughts, is dealing with a very deep pain. Yes, they are devastated, believing that they have lost the last opportunity to be with you, to build something more solid and true. Everything that is happening now, the distance, the silences, and even the signs of withdrawal, are the result of an internal whirlwind that they can no longer control. And even though they don't know how to come back to you or express what they truly feel, this person, in secret, spends days and nights immersed in thoughts about what could have been. The angels today want to show you this truth hidden behind so many appearances. Often, insecurity and pride are masks that try to cover up what is really happening in this person's heart. And that is exactly what has been happening, the fear of having lost you forever. They believe that perhaps there is no way back, that all chances have been wasted, and that now all that remains is regret. But what they don't understand is that true love, the kind that surpasses barriers, is still pulsating between you. Have you noticed how some people pass through our lives leaving deep marks, even if they try to disguise what they feel? That is exactly what is happening here. This person tries to move on, but they can't. Every step they take is like a constant struggle between what they desire and what they believe they have lost forever. There is an emotional battle going on, a battle in which they find themselves caught between the desire to be by your side and the belief that they will never have this chance again. The angels are whispering in their heart, trying to remind them that all is not lost. Time can still bring healing, and the scars they carry, in one way or another, can be turned into wisdom. However, you are also part of this process. You are one of the keys for them to find their way back, so that both can heal the broken bonds and reconnect. But before that, you need to understand what is happening behind their behavior. It is easy often to think that someone has distanced themselves simply out of disinterest, but in this person's case, the distance is the only way they found to deal with their own failure, with the feeling that they were not able to keep you close. In their mind, you were already destined to be together, but for some reason, things didn't turn out as expected. And now, they find themselves trapped between anguish and regret. When their angels look at both of you, they see two souls that still have much to share. And even if doubts try to creep into your mind, remember that true love is never in vain. There is something bigger at play here, something that can be revived, as long as both are willing to face their fears and insecurities. However, as long as this person doesn't believe they are worthy of a second chance, they will continue to sink into their own negative emotions. What the angels want you to know is that this person has not forgotten you. They may even try to show the opposite, may disguise their emotions, but the truth is that inside them, the feeling for you still lives on. With each passing day, the regret grows, but along with it, so does the fear of not being accepted anymore, of maybe you have moved on. That's why they avoid direct contact, avoid deeper conversations, as a way to protect their heart from possible rejection. What to do now, then? Their angels ask you to trust. Trust in divine timing. Trust in the path that is still being traced. Not everything is lost, and the love they feel also plays an important role here. There is still a chance for reconciliation, but it will come at the right time, when the lessons of both have been learned. This person needs to believe in themselves again, to heal from the fear of not being enough. Meanwhile, the angels are working to open their eyes and make them realize that not everything is over. But above all, they are guiding you to maintain serenity and faith in this process. It is normal for you to also feel doubts and uncertainties. After all, how to deal with someone who has distanced themselves without many explanations? But understand, the distance that this person has placed between you is not an absence of feeling. On the contrary, it is precisely the fear of feeling everything so intensely that makes them withdraw. They are afraid that by getting close again, all emotions will come to the surface, and they will see themselves vulnerable, exposed. And it is precisely this vulnerability that they still do not know how to deal with. Love, however, does not know such rigid barriers. When it is true, it finds a way to manifest, even if it seems distant. And that is why the angels are encouraging you to keep your heart open, not to let fear or resentment close the doors of this connection. There is something magnificent reserved for the two of you, something that can only materialize when both are ready to fully surrender to this feeling. Until then, patience and understanding will be your greatest allies. This person who worries you so much is living in an internal conflict that seems to have no end. The feeling of loss, the fear of having wasted the chance to be by their side, keeps them in an emotional cycle of pain and regret. They revisit every shared moment, every word spoken and unspoken, and wonder exactly where they went wrong. In their mind, everything could have been different if they had acted differently. And this constant search for answers makes them relive everything repeatedly, as if they were trapped in a nightmare from which they cannot wake up. What the angels reveal is that, despite all this internal suffering, this person still has a deep desire to make things right. There is a part inside them that believes you still have a chance, that it is not too late to try again. But at the same time, they are consumed by the fear of not being welcomed back into your life, that their attempts at reconciliation may be in vain. This fear is so strong that it often paralyzes any action. It is as if they are caught between the desire to fight for what they feel and the certainty that it may be too late. You may notice that, at various moments, they have subtly approached you, perhaps with small messages, trivial questions, as if they were testing the waters, trying to find out if there is still an opening, a possibility of getting closer again. These small actions are attempts to break the barrier of silence that has formed between you, but at the same time, they are driven by such a great fear of rejection that they never fully move forward. The angels show that their heart is heavy, full of regrets. They mentally review all the opportunities they had to be closer to you, to have been more open, more vulnerable, and now believe that those chances were lost. But the angels want you to know that divine timing is still at work. The connection between the two of you has not been broken, and there is something greater guiding this journey. However, for this person to find their way back, they need to believe that there is still a chance, that not everything has been lost. At this moment, this person is struggling between the desire to reconnect and the fear of getting hurt even more. They carry scars from past experiences, some of which have not yet been fully healed, and this contributes to their hesitation in taking the first step. In their mind, perhaps it is safer to remain at a distance than to risk and face possible rejection. But what they do not understand is that love, when true, is not something that disappears with time or distance. And that is exactly what their angels are trying to show them now. On the other hand, you may be feeling a mix of emotions. You might be tired of waiting, trying to understand the confusing signals that this person sends. Perhaps there are days when you feel that it would be easier to move on, leave the past behind. However, your angels ask for patience. They are preparing this person's heart so that, when the time comes, they are ready to approach you with sincerity and openness. There is a healing process happening now, even if they don't see it. Every day, this person is facing their own fears and insecurities, trying to find a way to deal with the depth of the feelings they have for you. And even if they seem distant or indifferent, know that within them there is a flame that still burns, a desire to be with you that was never completely extinguished. They are learning, little by little, to deal with this intensity, but the process is slow. The angels ask you to continue to trust in this love, even when everything seems uncertain. They want you to keep your heart open, without letting doubt and fear take over. Because what this person needs most now is a sign, something that makes them believe that there is still a chance to make things right. Your angels are working to bring this sign into their life, to illuminate the path that will lead them back to you, but it is necessary to respect their time. Often, in relationships like this, impatience can be our biggest enemy. We want immediate answers. We want to know if it's worth waiting, if this love will be reciprocated in the end. But what the angels want you to understand is that divine timing has its own perfection, and every step this person takes, no matter how small, is part of this greater plan. There is no rush, no urgency, only a healing and growth process that needs to be respected. Your angels are by your side, whispering words of encouragement and strength. They ask you that, while this person goes through their process, you take care of yourself as well, keep your light shining. Because what attracted you to this person, what made them fall in love with you, was your essence, your strength, your light. Do not let time or distance diminish who you are. Keep shining, keep being yourself, because that is exactly what will help this person find their way back. In the meantime, trust that everything is unfolding as it should. There may be moments of doubt, of silence, but know that behind all of this, there is a love being healed, a connection being restored. And when the right time comes, they will be ready to take the next step. Until then, their angels ask you to have faith and to remember that true love knows no bounds. It will always find a way to manifest itself, even in the most difficult moments. Now, while they are immersed in their own internal conflicts, you may be wondering, what more can I do? Should I still keep waiting? These are natural questions in times of uncertainty. Their angels are aware that you are also on a journey of self-discovery, of understanding what is best for you and your heart. And this journey inevitably includes facing your own fears and doubts regarding the future of this relationship. What you need to remember is that true love does not impose prisons or restrictions. It is free and allows both individuals to grow individually before joining their journeys. At this moment, their angels ask you to find balance and serenity, to keep your heart open, but also to take care of yourself. You are not waiting for something uncertain. You are on a path of love, which is built day by day, and what is being forged now, even if invisibly, is strong enough to overcome challenges. This person who troubles you so much is trying, in every way, to understand what they feel. Within them, their love for you is clear, but it's as if it's hidden beneath layers of fear and insecurity. Fear of rejection, fear of having arrived too late. They look back at the moments you shared, and while they feel overwhelming nostalgia, they also torture themselves with thoughts that they could have done more, that they should have been braver to express their feelings. And it's this sense of failure that prevents them from acting clearly now. What your angels show is that this person is gradually freeing themselves from these internal chains. But the healing process is delicate and cannot be rushed. Just as a physical wound needs time to heal, their heart is also in a process of regeneration. The pain they feel for believing they missed the chance to be by your side is real and intense, but it's being softened by divine interventions. Your angels are working to remove this mist of regret and self-criticism that has suffocated them, allowing them to see things more clearly. However, there is also a responsibility on your part in this journey. The angels ask that you be a channel of love and understanding. This doesn't mean you should sacrifice yourself or put yourself in the background, but rather that you should be willing to keep a connection with your heart, even when external signs seem confusing. Often, this person's silence, the lack of communication, doesn't reflect a lack of love, but rather an internal process they need to go through alone. But what about you? Their angels want them not to forget themselves in this process. They ask you to focus on what makes you feel good, on what keeps your soul at peace. This is a moment for you to also strengthen yourself, to find within yourself the certainty that, regardless of what happens, you'll be able to move forward with dignity and confidence. The love you feel for this person is powerful, but it cannot consume you to the point of forgetting to take care of yourself. This person is still at a point of indecision. They know that the feelings for you are deep, but doubt haunts them. They believe that they may have missed the only opportunity to build something true by your side. However, what the angels want you to know is that there is still hope. The universe is working for them to see things from a different perspective, to feel encouraged to take a step forward. And this moment of hesitation may actually be a disguised blessing. It may be allowing both of you to emotionally mature and be more prepared for what is to come. Deep down, this person is afraid of being rejected by you. Despite all the signs that life has shown, there is still a part of them that believes it is too late, that maybe you no longer want anything to do with them. This fear of rejection is what keeps them at a distance, what prevents them from opening their heart completely. They carry within themselves a profound insecurity that was shaped by past experiences, where they have been hurt by trusting too much, by believing that love would be enough. And now, when faced with this strong feeling for you, they do not know if they have enough courage to confront the ghosts of the past and surrender to love again. Your angels ask you for patience. There is intense work happening in the spiritual realm to guide that person back to the path of love, but it is necessary that you trust the process. Trust that what is rightfully yours will never be taken from you. If that person is meant to be part of your life, they will find their way back, no matter how many obstacles appear. The important thing now is for you to stand firm, knowing that you are being guided by higher forces, and that everything is unfolding exactly as it should. You, in turn, are also in a process of growth. The angels reveal that this time of waiting is not in vain. It serves for you to strengthen your faith, to learn to trust the flow of life and divine timing. And more than that, it serves for you to understand that true love is not a prison, but a daily choice to follow the path of light and trust. As that person faces their own internal challenges, you are also being challenged to trust in your worth, to believe that you deserve a love that is fulfilling, that is true. And so, the angels ask you not to lose heart. Even if the path seems long, there is a light at the end of the tunnel, and it is closer than you think. That person, who now feels so lost and shattered, is being guided back to your heart. The angels are working tirelessly to heal their wounds, and to create the perfect circumstances for you to reconnect in a deeper and more sincere way. As this journey continues, something inside this person starts to change. From the moment they realize that their love for you cannot be erased, even with distance and time, a new strength begins to emerge, a courage that once seemed lost. The fear of having missed the chance to be with you still haunts them, but now the angels are tirelessly working for them to understand that if there is still love, there is also a new opportunity. The signs that this change is taking place may begin to appear in subtle ways: an unexpected gesture, a message you didn't expect, a more affectionate attitude, or even a deeper look. They are starting to understand that the worst thing that can happen is not being rejected by you, but rather living with the regret of never having tried. And this new realization is slowly freeing them from the ties that bound them to the past. Your angels ask you to be attentive to the signs. It may be that this person, in a timid and still uncertain way, starts seeking ways to reconnect. Perhaps the first attempts will be subtle, almost imperceptible, but they will be the first steps towards a path that may finally bring the two of you back together. What is being worked on in the spiritual realm now is a reconnection based on healing, on a new understanding, where both will have the opportunity to build something more solid and profound than before. However, it is important to remember that for this to happen, both must be willing to leave the past behind. Not only the hurts and resentments that have accumulated over time, but also the unrealistic expectations that we often carry in relationships. The angels are asking you to let the flow of love naturally, without demands or pressures. The beauty of this reunion, when it happens, will be precisely the fact that both will have the opportunity to choose each other again, in a more conscious and mature way. This person, however lost they may have felt, is beginning to realize that the love they feel for you is a much greater force than any fear they carry. And now, with the help of angels, they are being guided towards a path of redemption, where they can free themselves from the shadows of the past and finally take a step towards you. Deep down, they always knew you were different, that what you shared was not common, and that's something they never managed to forget. It's as if the universe is creating a new opportunity, a second chance for you to live what wasn't lived before. And now, the angels ask that you be prepared for when this moment arrives. It doesn't mean everything will be easy or perfect, but it will be a new chance to love, to heal, and to grow together. They ask you to keep the faith, as the work being done on a spiritual level is already beginning to manifest. The angels want you to understand that true love is never lost. It can transform, it can weather storms, but it never disappears. What you and this person shared is still alive, and there is a divine force guiding each of you back to the other. The moment of reconciliation will be an opportunity not only to reconnect your hearts, but also to leave behind the doubts, fears, and regrets that have held you back for so long. This journey of self-discovery, for both you and this person, is a preparation for something greater. Both are being refined, healed, and transformed so that when the right time comes, you can meet each other with more clarity, more wisdom, and with a more open heart. And when that happens, it will be a reunion that brings not only the relief of being by the side of the one you love again, but also the feeling that all the life lessons brought up to this point had a purpose. Now, it is up to you to keep their light shining. What initially attracted that person to you was their essence, their ability to love in such a genuine and true way. The angels ask that you do not lose that essence, that you continue to trust in your worth and your ability to love. Because that is exactly what will ultimately bring that person back to you. They will see that, despite everything, you never stopped being who they are, a person full of light, love, and hope. When the moment of reconciliation finally arrives, your angels will guide you so that you can open your heart with confidence. They will ask you to leave behind any hurt or resentment that may have remained, and to surrender to love fully, knowing that everything you have experienced so far has been a preparation for something much greater. What is to come is a renewed love, stronger and truer than before, and it will be a new beginning for both of you. So, stay strong on your path. Your angels are by your side, taking care of every detail of this journey. The person you love is in a process of healing, and each day they are getting closer to a point of transformation. And when they are ready, when they finally realize that they have not missed the chance to be with you, they will approach with an open heart, ready to build something new and beautiful by your side. Your angels ask you to believe in this process, to keep the faith, because what is true always finds a way. And the love you share, despite all the challenges, is true. Trust in the angels, trust in love, and know that the best is yet to come.